Hi, this is Shauna. Welcome back. I just checked the mail and TopBox and Ipsy for this month of May. So let's dig in. Haven't even had a sneak peek. All I know is the stuff that they post online and send you. So it'd be nice to see what products are in here close up. So Ipsy is a monthly subscription. Costs $10 US, an extra $5 shipping for Canada. Ends up being less than $20 with the exchange and difference of the dollar. So this is the front of it, very nice. It's a yellow color with pinkish, almost like raspberry color fuchsia passport stamps. Back is a nice orange with the Ipsy logo and the Ipsy logo on the zipper, and also a little airplane. So excellent one to take traveling with you. So pop that over there. Let's dig in. So first I got the SL Miss Glam sponge. I thought it'd be bigger, like size of a beauty blender, but I definitely will give it a go. It is a nice consistency to it, and I do love her brushes, so I've heard good things about it. This month is Go There, Ipsy May 2018. That's a little theme one, little bit of stuff on the back with social media stuff, what to hashtag, and featuring some of the different Ipsy creators. So first I got the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum, and that is 7.5 ml. Excellent brand. I've used this before. Good product, good serum. Next I had the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. That's a nice size there. It is a white one. I usually use a translucent, so hopefully there will not be flashback, and it is a nice size to try out and to travel with, so that's good. Looking forward to that. Two more things. I got the Painting Therapy Pack. This is from Tony Moly, and this is of course K Beauty. This is the black color clay, so that is a mask there. That's a nice size and a nice way to put the mask in it, like a paint tube. And next we got Van Effect Micro Exfoliation. I guess it's another K Beauty brand. It's this ultra fine exfoliator with grapeseed, soy, pomegranate, and willow bark. That sounds really good. And it's a nice size as well. That is 10 mils. And the Tony Maloney is 10 mils as well. So that's great. So that was 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 5 items. Cute little bag. So Ipsy this month, not too bad. Definitely 2 or 3 things I'm very looking forward to. I'm curious about the sponge. It'd probably be like full size. It's definitely like a mini one. Not as many as the ones you use under your eye, but definitely smaller. Next is a TopBox subscription. This is a Canadian-based one. $10 a month plus tax. 13 and change. Totally worth it. You're guaranteed at least 4 items. Some months you do have preference, and you can pick different themes that they have and different options. So let's dig in. I did select one this month. It was the Bobbi Brown to get their foundation stick, but I didn't get it. So I must have a Nude by Nature product in here. You get 5,000 Optimum PC points if you spend $50 or more. Do love their products. Everything I've tried from them so far. Their translucent powder, amazing, and their primer. So really pleased with that. So let's see. Oh, my bag is like falling apart. Something smells good. This is Delectable Body Butter Cream Triple Citrus Blend, 30 ml. That is a nice size and nice brand. Tried their stuff before. Next, I have a Tarte Lip Paint and FOMO. I've had this color before. It's a nice mauve color. Excellent. Won't swatch that. I'll keep that for my makeover clients. So this is the Nude by Nature. We have the maybe that's what smells really good. It's a Natural Glow Loose Powder Bronzer. Okay, nice. So it is a loose powder in the bronzer. Oh, that might be good. I don't know if I can get a little bit there. Does look nice. Shade looks good. I'll definitely try that out. Have never used bronzer loose powder. I know how it would be for contouring. I know it would be good for setting, but not that you'd want to set under your eyes there. Give your skin a flawless finish. This makeup is more than just cosmetic. It's good for you. Very impressed with their products. And next I have a mask. So this is Papa Recipe, Right for Skin. So this is a honey mask. So that's another K-Beauty one. So looking forward to that. The mask nourish and moisturize the skin with honey. Perfect. Can't go wrong with another sheet mask. Looks like a few promo things. Oh, it'll be the Nude by Nature always sends this goodie thing out with the list of all the products and prices. And then the kit has a new one available as well. Their beauty kit for $49. A whole load of products there. So a little advertisement. And I got one more thing. So this is a sample from Simple. This is their cleansing facial wipe. And there's one wipe there. Excellent. Use your wipe. Oh, and some savings here. $7 inside at Shoppers. So you save $2 when you buy one product. Save $5 when you buy two products. So that's excellent. Really good. And they're good till the end of the year. So really good. Thank you, TopBox. Thank you, Simple. So these are my May month subscription bags. If you like what you see, subscribe down below. Check me out on Instagram at Shauna J. Butler. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.